Hey guys, it's Yvette. Welcome back to my channel. I have a new box to open today. It's something really cool that I saw over on Georgia Sunshine's vlog or her YouTube page, whatever. I will link her down below. And so Christy had signed up for FaceTory, or maybe it's FaceTory. You go really fast and say FaceTory. Jelly Bean just scared the bejesus out of me because he's over there playing with a toy and he made this funky noise. Okay, so we're fine. We're fine. So this, the one that I'll show you, I think that there's two different plans. I will put them down below so you can see what you get and what the prices are. And you can kind of compare. And I will go and check to see if I have any referral codes because Christy had one and I used her referral code to get 2 free masks added on. And let's talk about that because when I first went on, I think that it said that you could get 4 free. And so when I went and I added, I got the, I think I got 7 masks. I'm not sure. But anyways, you got the 7 masks and you would get 4 free. So I went and I put in the code and I had put like 4 masks in my cart and then the subscription, and I kept putting in the code and like nothing would come off the total. And so I sent them a message and I'm like, it's not working, it's not working. In the meantime, I just let it go through because I was just like, I don't really know what in the world's going on. And then, so they sent me a message back and they said, well, it's only 2 free masks and it'll come automatically. Like you don't put anything in your cart. We just send you 2 miscellaneous face masks. Like you can't choose them. They just automatically come. So if you're going to go and use that, if that's what I have to offer you, I don't really know. I'm going to have to go check the site. Don't add anything else to your cart. Just get the subscription and then they will send you the free thing automatically. Okay, so that's good to know because nowhere on that site did it say it. It was very confusing. And no worries, I don't mind having bought extra masks. I love doing the masks and it's fine. It just was very confusing is what I thought. So let's get this open and see what's inside. Okay, it says every face has a story. And here it is inside. On the little card, it says FaceTory Bustle. Every face has a story. We are so thrilled to bring you our very special collaboration with Bustle, one of our favorite online publications. The Bustle team of beauty and fashion editors have curated a kit and a box of their favorite sheet masks that will deliver glowing results for every skin type. We hope you enjoy your sheet mask experience as you read up on Bustle editors' top picks. Okay, and they tell you how to use the masks, so that's helpful. And then, oh, okay, so it's all in a bundle, and pull the whole thing out. Okay, so this will tell us all of the masks that are inside, and I have 7. It gives you ingredients and all that kinds of stuff, so anything that would like give you a little more information, I will type down below so that you can see everything everything about the masks. So that'll be down below. The first mask is, okay, I'm probably never gonna say this right. ASEQ? ASEQ. I don't know. It's a dual bubble talk mask. 10 minutes wash off type. Okay. And it says upgrade. I don't know what that means. It's very psychedelic. But that's the mask. And I love how they're all individually packaged, all pretty like this. I mean, I know, you know, a mask is a, well, not a mask is a mask, but you know what I mean. Like, you pull it out, blah, blah, blah. But I like how they went to, you know, the effort of making them look really nice. I really like that. And then, oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Everything on the back is like in Japanese. I love it. Or Korean. I don't know what kind of company this is. I don't remember. It looks like Japanese to me, but you know, it could be anything. Okay. The next one is called Baby Face Injection. Wow. So this one, that's what it looks like, which is very interesting. And I'm gonna have to read the instructions on the sheet that's in English because I have no clue what this thing is saying. Obviously, I'm not Japanese or Korean or any of those things, so I don't know what this is. But it looks really cool. It's very intriguing with the baby face. I might have to try that one first so that I can have a baby face. I don't know. Okay, next one. Oh, okay, so this one says, is it called? It's by Win, and it's called 10 PM. Premium Biocellulose Sheet Mask. When your skin feels tired and needs its beauty sleep. Okay, for all skin types. Dermatologically tested. There you go. And it tells you like all the ingredients and everything on the back. And this one is actually all in English. Yeah, so I'll be able to read that one. Cool. The next one is called Rose Heart. It's a Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask. It's a 2-step mask, and all the instructions are on the back in Japanese. But it looks lovely. It's got a nice heart on the top, and it's a 2-stepper. So we'll see how that goes. Usually I think that means that you put the mask on your face, and then after you take the mask off, you just like you just rub it in. I'm pretty sure that's what they're talking about, but everything will be on that card and you'll know whatever I know. The next one, oh cool. Okay, so this one is called Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask with Pineapple and Coconut. It's also in Japanese. I keep saying Japanese, I don't know. It's in an Asian language. Let's put it that way, because I'm not really sure. Very cool. I'm telling you, I love the packaging. This is all just great. I want to try them all at one time. I'll be like, I'll have the cleanest face on the block. Very cool. I love that. Okay, so the next one. Ooh. It's a 2-step jelly mask, soothing and brightening. Step 1, AHA peeling swab. So there's like, it feels like there's like a Q-tip or something in there, and there's like some liquid on the bottom, and then this goes after. It's the Essence Jelly Mask. That's really cool, and it is in an Asian language on the back. That's really cool. I think that's cool. Okay, and the last one. Ooh, this one is like, it's the packaging is like psychedelic, like you move it and there's like little like stars and stuff in it. That's really cool. So it's called a Modeling Mask Serum Chrysanthemum, and this is also you know, it's in an Asian language, but then there's a little bit of English. Yeah, a little bit. But can you see how it has that? Oh, I don't know if you're gonna. The camera's not gonna do it justice. It's so cool, guys. You should see. Okay, and so then I'll go ahead and share with you. That's the box. That's everything that came in the box. But I, of course, have the 4 that I bought, not knowing what in the heck I was doing, right? So the first one that I bought is called Sweet Lemon Candy Mask. I'm trying to remember if Christy had this one. I think she might have. It looked interesting to me, and I thought I would give it a go. The next one that I bought is, I don't remember buying this, but anyway, it's called Cereal Pore Mask Pack. And then it says Proud Mary Derma Cosmetics, and then it says Chestnut. I just don't think that Chestnut would have been something I would have bought, but who knows what I did. I have no idea. Obviously, I didn't do anything right with that, except I ended up with 7 masks. That part I got right. Okay, and then I have a lightning tone-up mask. You know what? I think maybe 2 of these might be the ones they sent, and then maybe 2 I put in my basket. You guys, I am so confused. I have no idea. Going forward, I'm sure I'm just getting 7 masks. Anyways, this says Wanlin Effect Lightning Tone-Up Mask. I need toning. I need lightning. I would really do good with some, like if I could even out my skin tone, because I've got like sun damage right here that I think looks kind of bad, like when I don't have makeup on. So, but you know, whatever. It's not that big a deal. It's not like, you know. And then the last one, here's Jelly Bean. He's excited. The last one is by Intia, I think. And it's a meringue cloud mask. All-in-one special care mask with meringue cloud bubble. And here's what it looks like. Oh, Jelly Bean. You're so freaking cute, buddy. Mommy loves you. I love you, boo. Mwah. He's like, don't kiss me. Get them crazy nude lips away from me. Okay, so that's the face story. That was my first one. I'm actually really excited about it. I'm going to see if I actually use, I mean, because this is more than just the 7 masks I'm going to have. This is 11 masks. So I'm going to be like some masking fool for the next month. And then after that, when I'm getting the 7, we'll see, do I actually use the 7 in a month, or do I want to go down? I think the one that you go down to is 4. So you either get 4 or 7, and I will put all that info down below. And if I have any sort of codes or anything where you can get freebies, I will put that link down there too. So be sure to read everything down below, and I will see you guys in just a little bit. Bye.